Let's create one more tutorial in NX. In this video, you'll learn to use revolve, hold, and circular pattern. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this line. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these 4 lines here. This line has 3 millimeters of length, this one 8.5, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 15 millimeters, the radius of this diameter, and this line here has 5 millimeters of length. So open the NX and go to sketch, select the front plane, press OK, and select line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here, okay, and now click here in this line. The distance here is 5 millimeters, press yes, and this line here has 8.5 millimeters of length. Let me move this line here to the side, okay, and select here the length here 3 millimeters, and go to rapid dimensions, select this line here and this point here. The distance here is 15 millimeters, okay, and now we will create this line, and this point here is vertical with this point, and we will create this line here with 20.5 millimeters and create this line here. Look that the angle here is 45 degrees, so the same angle here, okay, and the distance between this point and this point here is 5 millimeters. So select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, and you can make a center line here, okay, and now this line here has 20.5 millimeters of length, and here you can move this point here, move this line a little bit, okay, and the distance between this point here, go to rapid dimension, the distance between this point and this point here is 5 millimeters, so that's it. And now finish the sketch. We need to revolve this, so go to revolve feature, the profile is this one, the specify vector, select here and click the center line, and the angle here is 360 degrees. Apply, you can close here. We made this profile, this part, okay, so hide the sketch one, and now we need to create some holes in this part. We have 4 holes here, so the diameter of this hole is 5 millimeters, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint is 10 millimeters, okay, and this hole is through all this body. So go to hole and select this face here, and you can go to sketch section to edit this, and the distance here is 10 millimeters, and go to constraints here and select make horizontal, select this point and the midpoint, apply, or if it's not working you can just delete this dimension and make this horizontal, okay, And now finish the sketch. And here the hole diameter is 5 millimeters. And the limit here, the deep limit, is through body. And press OK. We made this hole. Now we need to create more 3 holes here. So to create this, we use the pattern. So go to pattern features. And here, the features to pattern. Select this hole. And the pattern definition, the layout. Select circular. Specified vector. Select this face here. And here, the count and pitch. The count here will be 4 holes in it. And the angle between the holes will be 90 degrees. You can click here to show the result and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next few videos. Bye bye.